What's up everyone? Today I just want to do a quick video on how to make your Sur-Ron or Segway a lot quieter. As some of you may know, these are pretty loud, especially for an e-bike, especially because of the belt squeal. One of the first things you're going to want to do is pretty obvious. You're going to want to check your belt tension and your chain tension and make sure your chain and sprockets aren't worn out and just all that obvious stuff. Another thing you should do is make sure your tire pressure is aired up to the proper spec, and you could put on some street tires that are a lot smoother. That would help a lot. Stay tuned till the end and I'm going to show you how to make this belt a whole lot quieter. All you're going to need is some water, paper towels, some chain cleaner, chain grease, soap. You're going to need some kind of protectant for the belt. I just use this interior detailer. It's for plastic and rubbers because I just have a ton of it. You could probably use Armor All or 303 protectant or some kind of belt conditioner. However, I don't know if that causes slippage. This does not cause slippage. It's got that natural shine. It's not super greasy, but it quiets the belt down a lot. Take your chain cleaner. Lay that down really good. Work it in. Give it a scrub. Now take your soapy water, soak up the chain, get up in there, clean the belt. After your chain's all dry, just lube it up. And then take some kind of belt protectant, throw it on the paper towel. If you can, carefully get it up in there. It's pretty difficult though. And then after that, you're done. It's kind of hard to tell, but it's definitely a lot quieter in person. Now, on a stock bike, it doesn't make the belt slip at all, even if you jam it from a dead stop. But on a lot of the modded bikes with a lot more power, I'm not gonna guarantee that it's not gonna slip. So, if you enjoyed this video, I got many more videos on my channel. Feel free to check it out in the playlist section. And yeah, have a good one.